So if you're someone that's new to dropshipping, one of the biggest fears that you probably have is simply failing or not making any money, even though you invest a ton of money up front. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a brand that has done 6 and possibly even 7 figures just uploading their videos on multiple platforms using completely free traffic. And they were able to start with initially $0, and now they're actually a pretty big brand that I'm sure you guys have seen before. And in today's video, I'll be revealing the product, their accounts, their strategies, and what you guys can implement with your own dropshipping stores to see similar results. And if you guys stick to the end of this video, you're going to be able to fully understand what it takes to start a dropshipping store and be successful with a very minimal budget to start. So I'm sure you guys have seen this product right here that has gone absolutely insane on TikTok, and it's basically a tool or device that you guys can use to stretch out your back and give you a lot of pain relief. Like if we were to go on TikTok and type in back stretcher bar, you guys can see that there are a lot of different accounts that are selling this product, and it reminds me a lot of the back cracker product, mainly because of the different sounds that they use in their videos. And I'll let you guys watch this video right here.
Look what TikTok made me buy.
So that's really the pivotal point right there with this product, is that you can hear the back cracking, you can hear the relief. And the reason as to why I think this product did so well is mainly because of those back cracking boards. So if you looked up back cracker board.
My wife's boyfriend had some back pain, so we gave him a gyro board.
So you guys can see here there are a lot of similarities between these products, and that's one of the main reasons as to why I was able to perform so well. Now this product specifically in this account, like if you were to look at this product from a broad scale and think of, why would this product perform well? The first reason is because of that wow factor, right? That we just watch of the product, cracking someone's back, and it's audibly loud, even if it's fake or whatever, it catches people's attention. Now the other thing is that it solves a problem. It solves your back pain, and it gives you a ton of relief. So it fills those two categories. And then the last one is that it has a wide market. How many people probably have back pain, right? Like if there's people that sit at computers all day, there's people that sit at school or desk all day, of course they're gonna have back pain, they're gonna be slouched all the time. So this is a perfect product, and that's exactly why it was able to perform so well. Now if you're able to look at this account here, the stretchy bar, this is going to be the 6 and possibly even 7-figure brand that we're gonna be talking about today. So you can see here on their TikTok, they have 40,000 followers and 2.9 million likes, and they also have a handful of videos on here. And if you go all the way back to the beginning when they started filming videos, you can see that their first one that they uploaded got 56 million views. The one after that got 1,200,000. So let's take a look at this first video here to see what made it go viral. This video is only 8 seconds long, you guys, and that's pretty crazy. And it was able to amass that many views, and I'm sure it's made them hundreds of thousands of dollars at this point. And this brand started in November of last year, so they have been able to make a lot of money and traction over a short period of time. And you guys can see here, all their best performing videos are under 10 seconds long. Like this one's 5 seconds long, doing the exact same thing. Maybe it's in a different setting. And then also you go on to the next one, 200,000 views, 4 seconds. This is just their TikTok account, right? And I'm going to be showing you guys here in a second the crazy amount of traffic this store receives. Like you probably think that, oh yeah, they probably get a lot of sales from their TikTok page. I want to show you guys their YouTube channel. So if you look up Stretchy Bar on YouTube, you can see that they have 125,000 subscribers. The main thing that they upload on their channel is YouTube Shorts. I talk about this all the time. A lot of people think that shorts are overrated, but I talk about this in my videos. They are super effective, even on my YouTube channel right here, and this is proof of it right here. So you guys can see that their most viral videos, 94 million views, 33 million views, 11 million views, 8.8 million views, 4 million views. And some of these videos are just taken directly from their TikTok and uploaded on YouTube Shorts. And a lot of these are just made within the YouTube Shorts editing tool. So you guys can see that they have a ton of videos on here, and a lot of these videos perform a lot better compared to their TikTok page. So that's exactly what I talk about in my other videos of how you don't just want to test one platform out. Some products may perform a lot better on YouTube Shorts compared to TikTok. And you guys can see that they've posted a ton of different videos on here, probably every single day, to get traffic to their store. And one of the things you're probably wondering is, well, how are they even making money off of these YouTube Shorts? The thing is that not only do YouTube Shorts get monetization, like you see right here, 94 million, 33 million views, you probably make a couple dollars off of that. It's really not that much. But the key here is that they're using the comment section to post their Shopify store. So if we go to this video right here that went super viral, you guys will be able to see that their pinned comment is get yours here, and then they link their website. So that's one of the cool things about YouTube Shorts. You can do this and you don't have to wait for 1,000 followers on TikTok in order for you to put your link in your bio. And you guys can see in the comment section that people are really engaged because of the sounds and the funniness of the video. Someone said here, how fake should the sound be? Gunshot or a random moan? Him, yes. Bro, give the editor a raise, man. He does so much for you. Give the editor a raise. Dude broke his hips, 46 vertebrae, his spinal cord, his hip joints, and the ability to make a gunshot out of the thin air. And also because of the engagement in the comment section, I do believe that this helped this video go extremely viral too. And this is actually, you probably thinking, well, isn't this just a re-upload from TikTok? Not all these videos are. Like this text right here is actually from YouTube Shorts editor. So a lot of these videos they created on their own solely on YouTube. So this really shows the power of using YouTube Shorts. And not only this, you can see that they have 125,000 subscribers. Getting that many subscribers on YouTube is extremely hard. It takes tons of creators, maybe years, possibly even decades to get to that point. But because they're utilizing YouTube Shorts, and I'm sure you guys have seen this on my YouTube channel as well, you're able to get subscribers a lot faster. So if we were to actually take their YouTube channel and then go over to Social Blade, we're gonna see how much traffic they get on a daily basis to these videos. So you guys can see in the last 30 days, they've gotten 78,000 subscribers. And in the last 30 days, they've been able to get 93 million views. So don't pay attention to these because these aren't accurate earnings. These are solely based off of what this tool thinks that they're making based off of their views, but you have to account that it's YouTube Shorts views, not regular views. And if you go down to their analytics, they're getting thousands of subscribers on a daily basis, and they get over 2 million views on average every single day to their YouTube channel just watching these videos. So you can only imagine how much money that they're making on their Shopify store with all that traffic. And because of this insane amount of traffic that they receive on their store, I do think that they make at least $50,000 to maybe $100,000 a month, and the majority of that is profit. And this is because most of their brand is using organic marketing, just uploading videos just like I showed you, and I'm about to prove that to you guys here in a second. And also, if you guys are struggling to find really cool products and potentially products like this, I do have a membership if you guys want to check that out in my description. I list a new winning product every single day. You get the competitor's store to see what their ads are, and you also get a free A to Z dropshipping course. We've had hundreds of people join the membership, so make sure you guys check it out in my description down below if you're interested. A lot of the products that I list are primarily from TikTok, similar to this one, and then also Facebook products. This way you guys can start dropshipping as soon as possible and not have to worry about spending a whole bunch of money on paid advertising. And when you guys go back to their YouTube channel, you can see that they also link their other socials. So we already took a look at their TikTok. Let's see what their Instagram is like. They only have 1,500 followers, and when you go to their Reels, you can see that they don't really get that many views on here, but just posting or just reposting content that you create on YouTube Shorts or TikTok seems to be what they're doing. And all this does is just bring in more traffic to your Shopify store to get you potential sales. So that's pretty cool here. The cool thing that I do like about this and these short form content platforms is that you can just recycle content. You don't have to create new videos every single time. All you have to do is take a video, let's say from YouTube Shorts, download it, then upload it on TikTok or vice versa. And all that's completely free to do. So there's really no excuse that you guys can use to say, oh, I can't start dropshipping. And then when we go to their website, you can also see how simple it is, right? Like these pictures here aren't even all that great. They're not even really demonstrating a product at all. It's just a product with a white background, and they're selling it for $39.99. And if you go on AliExpress, we can get a general idea of what you can source a product for. You can get it here for $20. So I'm sure that they're using some sort of private agent or supplier as well. So they probably get it for around $15 to maybe $20 or so. And that's an easy $20 of profit for every single sale, which is pretty crazy. And if we were to try to average or estimate how much they make on a daily basis, so we can be conservative here and try to estimate what they make on a daily basis. On their YouTube Shorts, they get around, let's be conservative here, 2 million views per day. If we were to multiply that times 0.01%, let's say that's their conversion rate, that is 200 orders per day, you guys. Then we multiply that by $20 in profit, and that is $4,000 on average on a daily basis, and that's majority profit minus some transaction fees. So it's safe to say that they're making at least a couple thousands of dollars a day in profit selling this product, and I could only imagine how much they're making a month in revenue. And if you guys look at their product page, you can see how simple it is, right? Like there's nothing crazy about it. All of these different like logo designs, all these infographics are very simple. Like you could create this in Canva. This was probably created in Canva within 5 minutes. And the only thing that they focused on is their overall branding. So they kept everything, like their main colors of their product is blue and pink. They kept everything blue and pink on their store, which you should do for a one product store. And then they also included a free ebook included with every purchase, a $49 value. So that's another really good strategy that you guys can implement on your stores to sort of give the customer more of a perceived value, a higher perceived value of your products compared to a lot of other brands. Because there are a handful of other people trying to sell this exact same product, but in order to stand out, this is exactly what they did to increase their conversion rate and make it look like that they're the original creator of this product. And to be honest with you, I'm not really surprised that they don't have that many pictures or infographics out in their description, because the product's very simple to understand and it's very easy to use. And then all they did in the bottom page is have 112 reviews, 5-star reviews, and the top ones have images, which is very important. This is going to help you guys increase your conversion rate as well. It gives a lot of social proof too. And I'm sure their conversion rate is really amazing as well. It's probably at least around 4% just because the overall foundation that they have. Like if you go to their YouTube channel, they linked all their different socials. They have over 1,000 followers on Instagram. They have 40,000 some followers on their TikTok. And they have over 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. When you combine all these, you basically have a huge ecosystem of traffic and customers that are visiting your store on a daily basis. And when the customers see that you have all these socials, all this, engagement on these videos, that you comment, you respond to people, and this is what differentiates a brand that may have tried to sell this product just by paid advertising compared to one that set a foundation and created a whole bunch of organic reach and was able to create social proof first before they actually decided to just cold sell their product. And you guys can see here too, once they've started selling this product extremely well, they also added other products to their Shopify store. So obviously the back cracker, this hand stretcher, this neck roller device. So you can see that they're trying to branch out and sell other products within that same niche, which is exactly what you guys want to do once you find a very successful product. Now, another thing I wanted you guys to look at too is the SimilarWeb website analysis. So this is going to be able to show you just how much traffic that they're receiving, who they're sort of getting to their store in terms of the demographics, and how they're primarily just using organic traffic to generate sales. So you guys can see here that their country rank is pretty low. It's 288,000, which is extremely good. So the lower this number is, the more amount of traffic that you receive to your site. And you guys can see here that it's increased by 2 million rankings. And then we go down here, you can see that they're starting to get a lot more traffic to their store. And you guys can see here there's been a 92% change in the amount of traffic that they receive to their store in the past 3 months. And the primary demographics of people is people from the United States, France, and Poland. And you can also see the gender distribution as well. So it's going to be majority males that are buying this product. And there's also a age distribution as well, showing that the majority of their customers are going to be anywhere from 18 to 34. And you guys can see here, if we go to the bottom, their traffic is 90% organic. So they're utilizing everything that they built since October or November of last year in order to generate a ton of money utilizing YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok. And you guys can also see here about 11% of the traffic that they receive is paid traffic. I've actually seen a couple of their ads on Facebook as well, but they initially started this brand just by uploading videos organically, and then once they started getting a lot of profit in and they had a proof of concept of what was working, they just started throwing a little bit of money towards these videos and they were able to perform extremely well. And that's exactly what you guys want to do with your brands. Like if you don't have that much money to start, if you're able to build a really good foundation, test a lot of different videos to see what goes viral, those videos will probably also perform extremely well with paid traffic. And the two main reasons is because let's say you get a video that gets 1 million views and it has like 50 or 100,000 likes. Well, now people are going to see that, they're going to see all the comments and they're going to think, oh, well, this is a actual brand. This video has some sort of social proof behind it. People are buying this product. It's the same concept if you were to go down the street and you see a new restaurant open, there's just a ton of people in the line trying to buy some food. It's all psychology. And if you're able to understand that, you're going to be able to take a video that was doing extremely well for you organically and start promoting it with paid advertising and make a lot of money. What I recommend that you guys do, just after seeing this entire brand, like they have a following on basically every single platform, and they mainly focus on YouTube Shorts. Look at this brand, check it out after this video and see what they did at the very beginning. Like their videos aren't crazy at all. They're 5, 6, 10 second long videos that probably took 5 minutes to create. So this is definitely not outside the realm of what you guys can do as a beginner with dropshipping. You just need to find something that has already worked just like this brand and implement it into your own dropshipping store. And I recommend you do something very similar to them, right? Like maybe you can start out on TikTok. It's very easy to start. You can get a lot of views initially like they did here. There's tons of different accounts that I've seen that are able to do that. And then also once you found that this product is selling well, and as you're uploading these videos on your TikTok account, you also want to be re-uploading them on your YouTube page. You can remove the watermark for your account specifically. Don't just rip other people's content off. Make sure you're creating your own videos. That way you can look like a legitimate brand, and then repurpose them for YouTube, repurpose them for Instagram Reels. You simply do not know how well a product will perform if you do not test it on different platforms. And then once you start getting traction, you're getting a bunch of sales, a bunch of profit, then you can start taking those profits and reinvesting them into paid advertising. It's almost a guarantee that it's going to perform well because you've already had a proof of concept with organic marketing. This way you guys can build an actual foundation for your brand and not just be like all the other dropshippers out there that think that they can just dump a bunch of money into paid advertising and it's going to automatically work. So please do not take organic marketing for granted. It is very powerful and you can make a lot of money and a lot of profit with it in relatively a short amount of time. So if you guys got any type of value out of this video, be sure to subscribe down below and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.